Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the low mileage 2017 Chevy Impala LT, stock number X1067X. 23,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, silver ice metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. The Impala is in the large car class, seats 5. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, forward collision alert, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. All helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Spacious trunk, one of the largest in its class. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. They're very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Again, only 23,000 miles. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, and that's where the forward collision alert is as well. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 305 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Impala, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.